Monster Truck by Mercer Mayer. Tiger came over to play with his new monster truck. It was called the Squisher. It was so cool. I ran inside and asked my dad, "Can I get the Squisher too?" "What's wrong with your old truck?" asked Dad. "I got it when I was a baby," I said. "Okay," said Dad, "but you have to do extra chores for 2 weeks to help pay for it." I worked hard. I let the dog out. I took out the trash. I cleaned my room really well. I set the table. I took a bath without a fuss. Finally, I had the money. Dad drove me to the toy store. But when we got there, the Squisher was sold out. "No fair," I said. "Wait," said Dad. "Your Uncle Zeb is in the Monster Truck Rally. He drives a real monster truck. Let's go." We had second row seats, but I couldn't see very well. I got popcorn. Dad got a corn dog. Uncle Zeb did the best tricks. He drove on 2 wheels. Everybody screamed. I got so excited I spilled my popcorn. Before I knew it, the rally was over. "Let's go see Uncle Zeb," said Dad. And then I got to ride. We zoomed. But that wasn't all, Uncle Zeb said. "I have a surprise for you." He gave me a big box. I opened the box. It was a red monster truck, just like Uncle Zeb's. "I got you the last one from the toy store," said Uncle Zeb. When we got home, I ran inside. I called Tiger. "Can you come over to play?" I asked. Tiger and I played with our monster trucks. That night, I dreamed about being a monster truck driver when I grew up. The end.